We don't lose when others doubt us. We lose when we doubt ourselves. Why is it that after so many attempts, nothing changes? Why can't we get what we want? What really stops us most of the time? This audio lecture answers all these questions of yours. As you watch till the end, you will know the problem, solution, steps, and a unique formula to truly become unstoppable in what you want. Here we go. The problem is not with procrastination or feeling like you can't do it today. It's not even somebody else's criticism. If you look closely, you will find a big wall which keeps coming every time you try to walk the success path. This wall is not touchable because it's not physical. It is the imaginary wall of impossibility created by your own beliefs. As you repeatedly think you can't do it, that thinking becomes a strong barrier, making your thoughts and actions limited. Because of this barrier, everything makes you feel you can't do it. You may also procrastinate and delay taking actions most of the time. In short, nothing in the world can stop you except your own strong belief of impossibility. Coming to the solution part, our aim is to break the wall of limits. As we said, it's not a physical wall, so you can't break it with a dozer. This psychological wall can break with your understanding and choice shift. First, understand and ask, is there really any limit in this universe? Or are we creating limits with our ideas and thoughts? Can a thought, I am not capable, change the truth that we can do anything we want with the right efforts? Can somebody's criticism break the fact that we are God's powerful gifts? As you investigate into this matter, you will get closer and closer to truth. And this truth will lead you to the right understanding, shattering the wall into invisible pieces of dust, as if it never existed. From this understanding, our choices will not come from the fear of limits, but the light of truth. And this path will lead us straight to limitless growth. Isn't that beautiful how all these chaos and fear act as guides, taking us back to where we belong? The limitless path. That's what you, me, and all of us deserve, my friend. So what are the steps to truly become unstoppable at what you want? Step 1. Question your beliefs and investigate the truth. Step 2. Deepen your understanding with the clarity of the truth. Step 3. Think, feel, and act for your dreams from this truth. And step 4. Laugh at your own belief in illusion that kept you away from your power and be free. Now here comes the formula for you. Truth plus choice minus false beliefs equals limitless path. I'm sorry. So you can pause and just note down this formula by replaying it again. Summary. Nothing can stop us other than we ourselves. Our limiting beliefs keep us limited in life. Always question the beliefs by others and you and compare them to the truth. Deepen your understanding with the clarity of truth. Think, feel, and act from this place of truth and see the barriers lose their grip on you. That's it. Check iCard for life-changing content. Share with your loved ones and let life shine bright. Thank you.